This is the Kindle Fire HD10, 7th generation. Unboxing. So this model has the 10-inch screen, HD display, 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM, and the Kindle Fires are usually rated pretty well on all the tablet websites, calling it as one of your best budget tablets out there. So it comes with a charger, USB cable. The model that I grabbed was blue. The other ones have a large waiting list, and it looks like it comes with some documentation here. First thing I notice about it is it feels a little bit cheapy, but this model is only $150. This is the one with Amazon's advertising attached to it, so when it's on the lock screen it'll be showing you ads. It feels a little unbalanced at first. Yeah, the top portion of the tablet feels a little bit heavier, so it might feel a little bit awkward holding it like this in portrait mode. So there you go. Welcome to the Fire. Now that I connected it to Wi-Fi, it asks me to punch in billing information, credit card, and that's because it links your account directly with Amazon, so you can make app purchases or even purchase things through Amazon. Now it asks you to connect to social networks. This tablet is for my mom, so I will be skipping all of that. Amazon Prime, she does not have Amazon Prime. So it asks for bloatware, like everything. So setting it up, it's asking if I want to install any popular apps. So I'll get a couple from my mom. Pandora, continue, download. This is a Kindle Fire tutorial, so I'll do this for your sake. This is the home page. Quickly lists all the installed apps that you have. You can swipe left or right to go home. Content pages for books, videos, and games. Switching, you can swipe left or right. You should all be familiar with tablets and phones by now. Scrolling. Navigation bar, quick settings, pull down from the top.
Hello. Alexa is on your tablet. You can use your voice to open apps.
That's the nice thing
Ask
about
questions.
That's the nice
Play
thing about this
music
new
and videos and more.
Kindle Fire 7th Gen is it has Alexa built in.
All you
If
have to do is
either
ask.
of you have Alexa at home, this will connect to it and work seamlessly. Like I said, this is for my mother. She does not have Alexa, so I'll be turning that off. So overall, this is the Kindle Fire HD10, 7th generation, the 10-inch tablet. It's actually pretty heavy, but I think it's a decent weight. This is supposed to give you about 8 to 10 hours of battery life. Overall, it feels good. The screen quality looks good. The balance of it feels a little bit off. It feels a little bit heavier on the top side, maybe the location of the battery. It makes it a little bit awkward holding it like this. It's a 16:9 screen ratio, so you're gonna be able to see all your movies and stuff like that in good quality. Overall, it feels a little bit cheap. and the quality is not really as there. I have a Kindle Fire HDX, which is a lot older, and that was built a lot better. But, you know, for the price, this is $150. You can't go wrong. And that's the review of the Kindle Fire HD10.